In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon with Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone and wait for the home screen to fully load. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate. This is the section where you'll create your cartoon image, and it's where most of the customization happens. After that, tap on the Model option. Then select Image and choose the model you want to use for your cartoon. This part is important because different models can give you different visual results. So if you're aiming for a specific cartoon look, it helps to choose a model that matches that style as closely as possible. Next, tap on the prompt area and type a descriptive prompt. Be as clear as you can here, because your prompt tells the AI exactly what kind of cartoon character you want to create. Include details about the character, what they're wearing, the expression on their face, and the overall art style. The more specific and organized your description is, the better your result is likely to be. Once your prompt is ready, tap on the settings icon to begin customizing the generation. In the settings, choose the quality level, the image dimensions, and the number of generations you want the app to create. These options help control both the appearance of the final image and how many variations you'll get to choose from. If you want more options, increase the number of generations, but keep in mind that this may take a little longer. When you've finished adjusting everything, tap Done or OK, depending on what your app shows. Then start the generation and let Leonardo AI create your cartoon. After a few moments, your image should appear, and you can review the results to see which version you like best.